my channel. Para hindi niyo ma-miss ang update sa aking channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo.
Okay, this is the pizza crust. You can buy this one sa Pure Gold. It's only 75 pesos, I think, or 83. So, and then, so this one is the pizza sauce. Ito siya. Put the pizza sauce sa pizza crust. For alternative way, you can use the pan. Ayan, so, pizza sauce, and then put some topping. Ikaw lang po bahala sa paglalagay ng topping. So, dito meron cheese, onion, pepper, hot dog, and etc. Then, pwede nyo siya 5 to 10 minutes lang pag-use of pan. And it's done! Ta-da! It's so yummy pizza! If you want to order, just PM me. It's MJ Pizza. Yummy! Ayan po siya.